si June Korea, usa ko ka inmate diri sa City Jail sulod sa 5 ka tuig. Then karon nakagawas na ko. Ako mo nag-train aning choir o akong ipresentar ninyo kining The Lord Reigns Music Choir sa Dipolog City Jail.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Christ by highest heaven adored, Christ the everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of the Virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh, the guided seed, hail the incarnate deity, please us men with men to dwell. Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hail the heaven birthlings of peace, hail the Son of righteousness. Light and light to all he brings, rising with healing in his wings. Mighty lays his glory by, born that man no more may die. Born to raise the sons of earth, born to give the second birth. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Kay sigla ng gabi, ang lahat ay kay saya. Nagluto ang ate ng manok na tinola.